What is going on, everyone? Misa with Mrs. Mobile Detailing. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are doing a windshield. I just want to show you the process and what it looks like to do a full windshield installation on a car. All right, so we already removed the tape. The tape was just to get the cut perfect, well, perfect as we can. Right now he's just shrinking the edges. He's just shrinking all the edges, you know, make sure that everything lays down, because with the tape it wouldn't sit completely. So that's what we're doing right now. Make sure that everything sits flat prior to moving on the interior. And yeah, so shrinking took about what, 20 minutes?
Shrinking?
Yeah.
Yeah, about 20, 30 minutes.
Yeah, shrinking took about 20 minutes ish. So yeah, this is what we got right now. We're about to move on the interior.